Welcome to Magic Meadow Wellness, and today we're going to focus on lower back relief. Laying down with bent knees, soles of the feet on the ground for gentle pelvic tilts. Inhale, tilting the pelvis up. Exhale, bringing it down. Inhale, gently tilting that pelvis up. Soft exhale down. And this requires very little effort. Let the movement mirror the breath. And inhale, we're going to move into a soft bridge, not too high. We're going to warm up the hips and the lower back. Exhale down. Inhale again, bringing up the pelvis and the hips and the lower back. Exhale, coming down along the spine. Two more soft bridges. Inhale, activating the thighs and the butt if it's available to you, and then softly coming down. And then one more. Inhale, activating the thighs, lower back, hips, butt, activating the muscles, and then slowly exhaling, coming down along the spine. From here, we'll bring our knees up towards our chest. You can put your hands on top or behind the knees, and then we'll do little baby circles to release the lower back. 3 on each side. And if it feels comfortable, rocking side to side. Then bringing the feet down, bending the right knee, and then putting the ankle on the left knee. Long, deep breathing, beautiful hip opener, as well as a lower back stretch. And then alternating. And please remember, this is your practice. I'm only here to guide you, but this is ultimately your decision. If this does not feel good, you don't have to do it. Stay wherever you are, gentle breath, and relax. Bringing those knees up, and then we'll take those knees over to the left side, stretching the right arm out if you can, and then looking over to the right. Now, if you're at home, feel free to put your feet on the ground. I just didn't want my feet to get sandy. And then moving on to the next side, and take into consideration that sides are different. Just let it go and be happy where you are. Just stretch that body out and feeling a luxurious stretch in your hips and your lower back. Moving into cat-cow, inhale, chin up, exhale, curving the spine, pulling in the belly. This will really release the lower back. Inhale, softly exhaling, pulling in that belly. Just breathing with your own pace and natural breath. Then one more deep inhale, and then exhale, really pulling in the belly, stretching that spine, releasing that lower back. And then we'll move into child's pose with our knees wide apart, hip width, sitting on your heels if you can, or putting a pillow underneath your butt to make it a little bit easier, stretching out the arms. Inhale, and then exhaling into yummy child's pose. And then inhale, pulling that belly in to support your spine and lower back. Inhale, soft breath. Exhale, soft breath. Good job. And just going at your own pace, inhaling and exhaling. If this is uncomfortable, you can simply stay in child's pose. And the rest of us will meet you there. Stretching out your arms. And if that's uncomfortable, you can also feel free to bring your arms back. And then we'll move into a seated twist. And taking your right arm to your left knee, finding a beautiful place to gaze, long, deep breathing. And then switching to the next side, left hand to the right knee, long, deep breathing, keeping that spine straight. Then we come to center and then do side stretches. Inhaling to one side, exhaling to the other side. And one more round, inhaling, and then exhaling to the opposite side, coming back to center. flowing into 3 hip rolls on each side. Inhale forward, exhale coming back. Inhale forward, exhale circling back, letting that breath connect all the way around. Nice and relaxing. Releasing the lower back and the hips. For our final pose, we're going to move on to our backs for a full body stretch. Drop the hips, drop the belly, drop the legs, drop the chest and the shoulders, then stretch out your arms and legs, flex the feet, inhale, and then exhale, let it all go. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, stretch, stretch, stretch. And then exhale, letting it all go. And we'll slowly bend our knees, making our way to a seated position. We'll bring our knees over to the right, feeling deep gratitude for practicing in nature and community. And thank you so much for joining me. Feel free to watch my other videos. Peace and blessings.